Historic first, China's J-15T, J-35 and KJ-600 launched by Catapult. China's newest supercarrier, the Fujian, has just pulled off a world-class feat, launching and recovering 3 advanced aircraft using cutting-edge electromagnetic catapults. For the first time, the stealthy J-35, the upgraded J-15T, and the KJ-600 early warning plane all took to the skies from its deck. This moment isn't just another test, it marks the Fujian's leap into becoming a fully capable next-generation carrier. The Fujian's catapult breakthrough is, honestly, a major milestone in naval aviation. By successfully launching and recovering multiple advanced aircraft, the carrier is showing off technology that puts it in the same league as the world's most advanced navies. It's not just about the hardware either. The operational know-how to make all this happen is a huge step forward for China's Navy. The biggest headline from the Fujian is clear. China's third aircraft carrier has successfully carried out electromagnetic catapult launches and arrested landings with 3 very different aircraft. Reports from Global Times and the War Zone confirm that the J-15T heavy fighter, the J-35 stealth jet, and the KJ-600 airborne early warning plane all flew from its deck, supported by the ship's electromagnetic launch and arresting systems. This isn't a small achievement. Each of these aircraft requires unique launch conditions, and the fact that all 3 succeeded shows that the Fujian's advanced systems are working exactly as designed. Why is this such a big deal? Until now, China's carriers relied on ski jump ramps, which, really limit how much fuel and weaponry a plane can carry during takeoff. Aircraft often needed to cut payload weight or fuel, reducing their combat radius and effectiveness. Electromagnetic catapult technology, or EMALS, solves this by accelerating aircraft smoothly and with far greater power. Jets can now take off fully loaded, carrying maximum fuel and equipment, and helicopters or lighter craft can launch with less strain. Compared to older steam catapults used on United States carriers, EMALS provides better control, lowers stress on airframes, and supports a wider variety of aircraft. Video evidence released in September 2025 shows the J-35 launching via catapult for the first time alongside the KJ-600, a type that simply could not have flown from earlier ski jump carriers. These events prove that the Fujian's launch and recovery systems are not just theoretical designs but functioning real-world systems. Experts quoted in Chinese state media describe this as initial full-deck capability, a step where the ship, crew and aircraft work together reliably. Building the air wing is, honestly, a complex process. It's not just about having advanced jets or helicopters available. The crew needs to master the routines, maintenance, and coordination required for a modern carrier operation. Over time, as pilots and deck teams gain experience, the Fujian's air wing will become more capable, flexible, and ready to take on a wider range of missions. This, in turn, boosts China's ability to project power at sea and respond to challenges far from its shores. Beyond the catapult itself, the real story is the aircraft that will operate from the Fujian. Together they form an integrated, balanced, and future-ready air wing. At the center of this group is the J-35 stealth fighter, which has been compared to the U.S. Navy's F-35C. With radar-evading design, advanced avionics, and a catapult-capable structure, it is set to become the Fujian's primary combat jet. Its role is to establish control of the skies and conduct long-range missions, all while carrying heavier payloads than was possible from older carriers. The J-35's successful catapult test in September 2025 is therefore more than symbolic. It proves China's first fifth-generation carrier jet can operate as intended. Supporting it is the J-15T, an upgraded catapult-capable version of the older J-15. Unlike the stealthy J-35, the J-15T focuses on payload. It can carry large numbers of missiles, bombs, or fuel tanks, making it versatile for different mission profiles. Observers often describe it as the workhorse of the Fujian's future air wing. Not the most advanced in stealth, but reliable and capable of delivering significant firepower when needed. Perhaps the most transformative addition, though, is the KJ-600 airborne early warning aircraft. This plane provides long-range radar coverage, something that helicopters could never fully achieve. It flies higher, sees farther, and serves as a command node allowing the entire carrier group to operate with a clear picture of the battle space. Its inclusion on the Fujian is possible only because of the Catapult system. Ski jump carriers could not launch such large fixed-wing planes. Other types are also expected to join, including the J-15D electronic warfare variant and anti-submarine helicopters, creating a complete toolkit of stealth, strike, electronic attack, surveillance, and underwater defense. What makes this lineup special is integration. Each aircraft complements the others, forming a system greater than the sum of its parts. The Fujian's air wing is not just about jets, it's about a balanced ecosystem designed for modern carrier operations. The arrival of the Fujian really changes the equation for regional naval power. It signals, a significant leap in China's ability to project force far from its shores. This isn't just about the hardware, it's about how these capabilities fit into broader military strategy. Other countries are watching closely, drawing lessons for their own carrier programs and naval planning. For China, the Fujian represents a new level of ambition and technological confidence, setting the stage for future developments in carrier aviation. So what does all of this mean beyond the technical details? The Fujian's successful trials have broad strategic implications. Once commissioned, it will be China's third aircraft carrier, joining the Liaoning and Shandong. But unlike its predecessors, the Fujian is designed from the start for catapult operations, enabling it to project power in ways that earlier ships simply could not. Experts quoted in Chinese media emphasize that this marks the entry into a true three-carrier era, where China can keep one ship in training, one in maintenance, and one fully operational at any given time. The shift to electromagnetic catapults also transforms how far and how effectively its air wing can operate. Aircraft can now launch fully loaded with fuel and equipment, extending their range and mission time. The KJ-600 adds an entirely new layer of capability, fixed-wing airborne early warning, which dramatically improves situational awareness. With this, the Fujian can detect potential threats sooner, coordinate responses more effectively, and manage larger-scale operations far from its home ports. There is also a symbolic dimension. Building and successfully operating a ship like the Fujian requires an advanced economy, strong industrial infrastructure, and, honestly, years of scientific research. As Global Times noted, the Fujian is a concentrated embodiment of technological development. It represents not just a naval milestone but also the ability to integrate complex engineering systems into a single, functioning whole. So, all things considered, the Fujian stands as a testament to how far technology and industry have come together in this era. Its story is really about determination, innovation, and the pursuit of something greater. As we look ahead, the impact of this achievement will be felt not just in naval circles, but across the broader landscape of global technology and power. The Fujian's breakthrough shows more than just the success of a new carrier. It highlights how years of research, engineering, and testing have come together in one extraordinary moment. With its catapult system proven and its next-generation aircraft taking flight, the Fujian now stands as a symbol of what modern naval aviation can achieve. As commissioning draws closer, the world will be watching closely to see its next steps. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.